Oh, hey guys, how we doing? Just working on a motor there. Hey, I wanted to show you a product I just got. And this is Rowdydawg, by the way, down in the shop, down in the dog house. Boo! The dog howls. You guys think that's a little redundant, but I like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay, what I got here is a case, a kit of grease zerks. This is from Dura. Now, if you look here, you've got 90 grease zerks, and look at all the different ones you've got. You've got 8s, you've got 6s, you got quarter 28s, you got 8/28s. I mean, everything you can think of. If you work on equipment, if you work lawn equipment, you know, whatever it may be. I've got gates. I've got 3 different gates with, let's see, 2, 4. Each one of them has a set of 8 hinges on each one, and they each have a grease zert on these hinges. So I use the quarter 28s here. And one thing that I like about these is they give you the 45s and the 90s. Look at these. Let me open this up. Each one of these different sizes. See there? There's your 90. And here's your 45. So you get that angle. There is nothing worse than not being able to get your gun on a grease zert because you can't get to it. You know, and these give you those angles that you need so you can put them in different places and be able to get your grease gun on those zerks. But anyway, it's a nice pack. It's got everything you need. Can you guys read that? Hope y'all can, because it's got M6, it's got M8s, the 5 pieces of those, the 45s and the 90s. It's got quarter by 28. It's got 8th by 27. Quarter by 28s and a 45 and a 90. So that's important. That's nice to have a kit that has all those different grease zerks that you need for all the different jobs you do. You know, if you've got any kind of lawn equipment, any type of, hell, just any kind of equipment that has a grease zert in it for the wheels or whatever, for the mechanisms that need grease, great product. You can pull this pack out and find the grease zert you need. Anyway, that's what I know about it, guys. Pretty cool deal. I get a lot of use out of it. It's going up here on my stack back here with my other kits. I've got anchor kits, and now I have a grease zert kit. All right, you guys take care. I'm going to.